Hello, my name is Luis Ramirez. Today we're gonna talk about consonant sounds. A consonant is a speech sound that's not a vowel. The sound of the consonant is produced by a partial complete construction of the air stream by the constriction in the speech organs. In writings, a consonant is any letter of the alphabet except A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. The consonant sounds, there are two ways. Voice consonants require to use of the vocal cords to produce the signature sounds. Voiceless consonants do not. Both types use the breath, lips, teeth, upper palate to further modify speech. Now we are going to say the consonant sounds. Okay, the consonant P. The consonant sound is ping. B. The consonant sound is b. Back. Play back. T. The next consonant sound is T. You can say teen. You can say teen. Ten. Next consonant sound is D. You can say dog, doctor. Next consonant sound is F. You can say the sound is fire, five, few. Next consonant sound is V. You can say V, van, view. Next consonant sound is thing. Next consonant sound is that, though. Next consonant sound For example, you can say mom, mama, man, man, woman. Next consonant sound is N. You can say nose, new. Consonant sound is thin. You can say thin, everything. Next consonant sound you can say half. Next consonant sound is short. Next consonant sound you can say jam. Next consonant sound is K, kind, kiss. The next consonant sound is G, gone, gonna, go. Next consonant sound is S. You can say sell, sometimes. Next consonant sound is Z, zoo. Next consonant sound is sheep. Next consonant sound is measure. Next consonant sound is L, leg, link, lie. Next consonant sound is R, round, running, round. Next consonant sound is work. World. Next consonant sound is Y. Yes. This is all for now. Thank you very much.